Hi, it's Claire from Handmade at Hudson's, and today I'm going off the script, and rather than showing you how to prepare dies, I am showing you how I prepare my stamping pads. So this is a brand new stamping pad. It's the new Evening Evergreen, and actually in my camera it looks black, but it's not. It's sort of a dark greeny colour. And all I do is open the packaging, and then open to check that it's all okay and the pad's nice, so it's all fine, and then close again. And as you open and close, it'll get easier, and some people put wax on to help that. And then all I'm going to do is peel off the sticker on the back. So the sticker on the back has got the information in English, German, French and Japanese, so the name of the stamp pad, and I'm just going to stick those back down so that I can choose which ones I want and get rid of the excess paper. So this Evening Evergreen is going to go on the front of my stamp pad, just down here. And the blank one is going to go on the inside. So it just pops in. Whoa. Just pops in here. Like so, and that will show you what the colour is when you are stamping. So especially for the darker colours, it can be hard to tell what the actual colour is. And then I'm going to close this up again, and then I'm just going to choose one of the languages, it doesn't matter which one, and I am going to put it on the end, this end here, and that's just so that if it's somewhere else and I can only see one side, I know the general idea of what the colour is, and I've managed to get it on me. Okay, and the other thing that I recommend with the inks is they are very, very juicy when you first get them before you stamp with them. So I tend to put the ink back into the stamp ink pad before I use it. So what you would do is just get a spoon. So this is from Poundland, it's Poundland Special. You get 4 for £1, and just ink that back in, and then what will happen is, then go in different directions. You just want to carefully use the back of the spoon to push the ink back into the ink pad. Because this ink is stored upside down, it means all the ink runs to the top. So then when you're inking your stamps up, it can give too much of an impression and make your ink really, really dark. Now that's good if you want to have different colours to do different generation of stamping, but not if you just want one specific colour. So I'm just going to clean this off with a baby wipe. And then, depending on the colour, I sometimes do store them a different way up. So when this is closed, you'll notice that the ink pad is flipped over and it's stored upside down. So especially for the darker colours, I tend to store them this way around, so that the ink doesn't run to the top and so that it doesn't come out as dark. So those are the tips for using a ink pad from Stampin' Up. Thank you very much for pressing play on the video today. If you've got any questions, you can contact me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and also ring the bell so that you are notified when I next post a video. Thank you, bye.